Hi friends, welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. This is Harinaganand Idumudi Shorthand instructor. I am conducting both online and offline classes to the shorthand students for learners and also lower, higher and high speeds. Those who want to join the Telegram group can join through the link given in the description box. The shorthand dictations which I offer 80 and 100 words are helpful for competitive examinations such as the State Board of Technical Education and Training, SSc Stenographers Grade C and Grade D, and other competitive examinations. So everyone can write these passages. Apart from this, I am also providing 120, 150 and legal dictations for all competitive examinations. Dictation passage links will be given in the description box. I am providing passages like Kailash Chandra to SSc students. Post our links on your social networking platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. if you really like this video. Get ready for the dictation. 1, 2, 3, start. The Andhra Pradesh State Commission for Protection of Children's Rights has directed the education officials throughout the state to ensure that all schools in AP are adhering to half-day school norms in view of the rising temperatures. Commission member during a meeting held in Vishakhapatnam on Tuesday said that the Commission has received several complaints from the parents that some schools are disregarding the government's half-day school directive. He emphasized that all schools, including private schools, must adhere to the guidelines issued by the state government. The Commission chairperson reiterated that clear instructions have already been issued to district collectors and education officials on following the half-day school norm without giving any exemption to any school. The Commission has warned that strict action will be taken against schools that obey the norm, including legal action against school owners and even cancellation of the school's registration. Therefore, the Commission has asked the parents to email any violations in norms to the Commission. The Supreme Court on Monday directed the central government to frame a model policy on menstrual leave for women employees by holding consultations with the states and other stakeholders. A bench comprising Chief Justice and other judges said that the issue related to policy and was not an issue for the courts to look into the matter. Moreover, such a decision from a court on granting such leave to women may prove to be counterproductive and detrimental to the cause, as employers may avoid employing them. How will the leave encourage more women to be part of the workforce? The court asked the petitioner and said mandating such leave will lead to women being avoided from the workforce. We do not want that, the bench said. This is actually a government policy aspect and not for the courts to look into, it said. The petitioner says that a representation was submitted to the center in May 2023. Since the issues raise multifarious objectives of state policy, there is no reason for this court to intervene in light of our previous order, it said. The bench, however, permitted lawyer who has appeared for the petitioner and lawyer to move the Secretary of the Ministry of Women and Child Development and additional Solicitor General. We request the Secretary to look into the matter at the policy level and take a decision after consulting all stakeholders and see if a model policy can be framed. It ordered. The court made it clear that the consultation process of the center will not come in the way of states if they take any steps in this regard. The top court had earlier disposed of a plea seeking menstrual pain leave for women, students, and working women across the country. It had then said that since the issue falls under the policy domain, a representation can be made to the center. The senior lawyer said that till date no decision has been taken by the center. The court reiterated that it is a policy to be taken by the central government but not by the Supreme Court. Congress President on Tuesday attacked the BJP government on the state of the railways, alleging that it has destroyed the railways by destroying its finance, safety, efficiency, and affordability. He claimed that his party will revitalize the national carrier as a growth engine for India. In a post on X, he said the railways is ravaged under the Modi government, trains getting trained only for self promotion. He further claimed that the railways is still the lifeline for crores of Indians, but the present government has destroyed its finances, safety, efficiency, and affordability. No wonder the number of mail and express trains that were punctual declined from 79% in 2012-13 to 69.23% in 2018-19. The Congress Party will revitalize the railways as a growth engine for India, the Congress chief said. Posing 7 questions, he asked why has the BJP government not filled more than 3 lakh vacancies in the railways? Is the BJP against SC, ST, OBC, EWS people who may avail reservation in India's largest public sector employer? He asked. Why has the average price per passenger per kilometer doubled from 0.32 paise per passenger in 2013-14? Is it not true that more than 1 lakh train related deaths were reported between 17 and 21? This doesn't include the deadly accident which took the previous lives of almost 300 people, he said in a statement. Hearing in a 2018 defamation case against the Prime Minister candidate of the Congress Party over his alleged objectionable remarks targeting Union Home Minister was postponed to April 12. The hearing could not take place on Tuesday since the judge was on leave. The defamation complaint against Gandhi was filed by BJP leader 6 years ago. The plaintiff's advocate said he gave an application to the court seeking the issuance of a non-bailable warrant against Gandhi. But since the judge was on leave, the hearing could not take place, he added. The Congress leader's lawyer said He too gave an application in the court seeking another date for the hearing, citing the schedule of Gandhi, a candidate in Kerala's Lok Sabha seat, where the last date of filing nominations is April 4. Last December, the court issued a warrant against him. Subsequently, he halted his yatra on February 20, appeared in the court, and was granted bail. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. I am conducting both online and offline classes to the shorthand students for lower, higher, high speed and for the learners. Thank you.